It's me, Paul. Guys, I almost couldn't go through the kitchen with this hat. So this is, I'm using, one of my old school cooking hats. Yeah, have a nice features here, make me look taller. It can even breathe, check it out. I even have a chimney here where I can breathe. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Check this out, guys. We're having today pepper steak. So you haven't tried pepper steak, guys, today is your day. And this is what you're gonna need, guys, for the pepper steak. Check this out. I made a list here. You're gonna need 8 ounces of steak cut in strips. So this steak, we're gonna cut it in strips. For that, we're gonna need half cup of water that we're gonna use later. 1 green bell pepper. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper. 1 tablespoon of flour. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Half onion that we're gonna cut in julienne, and 3 celery stalks. That's what we're gonna need to make the pepper steak. So what we're gonna do now with this steak, we're gonna cut it in strips. We're gonna cut it in strips. And that's what we're gonna do first. Cut it in nice strips. Steak. One is already been cut in strips. We're gonna set it aside for a while. We have that ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut now the peppers, the green pepper, bell peppers. We're gonna take out the lid. After we take out the lid, we cut the lid, take it out. We're gonna spread it. Then after we clean it, we divide it, we're gonna cut it in slices. Little slices, little strips, julienne. Cut it nicely. Yeah, baby, very nice. I mean, I use. Wow, we got it cut. I got my sharp, very nice, and my teeth is sharp as well. So we're gonna try it after we cook it. All right. So we have that. We set it aside. Now we're gonna cut the onion. So for this, we're gonna cut the onion in julienne. Well, julienne is another term. We cut the term in French. We cut it in long strips. All right, so we're cutting this now. We're cutting the julienne onion very nicely. After we cut it now down very, very nicely, we are gonna set them aside. Okay, we got already the onions. So the next thing now we're gonna cut the celery stalks, and we're gonna cut it in a different way. We're gonna cut it in diagonal shape, because that's the way that is used when you make a pepper steak. Cut it in diagonal. One by one, you line them up. After you line them up, then you cut it like this. Cut it in diagonal shape. Yeah, diagonal. Celery so good, huh? Celery so good with so many things, with pepper steak, with soups. Really give a very good flavor to any kind of food. Alright guys, so now that we have all that ready to go, we're gonna warm up the skillet between medium and medium-high heat. Medium heat. After we warm it up, we're gonna add the oil. We're gonna grease the skillet with the oil. I'm using sesame oil for that, but if you don't have, you can use just regular cooking oil. However, the sesame oil gives a special flavor. Okay, now we're gonna add the garlic, the onions, So after we add the garlic, we add the onion, we're gonna saute them for around a few minutes. And after that, we are gonna add the meat, the steaks that we cut in strips. We're gonna add them to that. We move them around there a little bit. Yeah. Cooking, baby, cooking. I'm happy. The pepper steak, one of my favorite dishes, guys. All right. So when we have that, all right. Sorry. After we have that, we're gonna add the peppers. We already cut. Green bell pepper is gonna be added now, and the green peppers, and also we're gonna add the celery. Celery, guy, gives so much flavor to the food. Really can enhance any food. And also we're gonna add the salt and pepper. So we got all that, the salt and the pepper. So when we add the salt and the pepper, now we can add the soy sauce. We add the soy sauce. Very nice. We combine all that, mix all that together. We're gonna start cooking nicely. And after it starts cooking up slightly, now we're gonna do something. We need to thicken the sauce, and this is what most Chinese cuisine, whether it's a fine dine Chinese cuisine, whether it's a fast food, Chinese fast food, they use this. So you can use cornstarch, but I'm using flour. So I'm gonna dilute. We're gonna make a slurry to thicken the sauce. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour to 1 cup of warm water. So we're gonna do that now, and we're gonna stir up real good. We're gonna stir up the water and the flour together. We're gonna stir it up real good and make sure there is no lumps. There is no lumps on the water. So well, for that we gotta stir it up a little. So when it's ready, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add that celery. We're gonna add it along with the pepper steak. So we're gonna thicken that sauce, and it's gonna look so nice. It's gonna look like just when you go to a Chinese restaurant or a fast food restaurant, the same. All right. Wow. Look at that. Look at how nice that pepper steak looks. Wow. Wow, baby, that looks good. Your family gonna be so happy. Once you make that pepper steak, your family, your wife, your husband come, he's gonna be so happy. Oh my God, what kind of a man can cook like this? I love you. All right, so while we have that guy, now we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Ready? I got some here. Now we're gonna try it. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. I'll take a piece of pepper. Oh my God. The meat tastes so moist and tender. At the same time, it have absorbed the salt. It have absorbed the flavor of the celery, the salt and pepper. It also have absorbed the flavor of the sesame oil, and also have absorbed some of the slurry that we made to thicken the sauce. So I'm gonna try now the onions and the peppers. God, it tastes so good. You know what? It tastes so good. I mean, it kind of thing is so good, guys. I remember when the first time I tried it, I will eat only if they don't want to give me. I remember we used to buy this in my family a long time ago when we were a big family. I was a kid, we buy pepper steak, my family. So sometimes there was no meat, I would just eat the peppers and the onion. I was good with that. Very good, guy. This is very good. Give it a shot. Yeah, it just tastes like, long time ago, it just tastes like that fast food Chinese restaurant that we have, the Paradise, Chinese Paradise back home. Tastes almost the same. Tastes the same. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days from now. Hope you enjoy this video, and it's especially for you. And remember that I love you. Keep that in mind. Keep it in mind, please. And receive from me